Welcome learners for the lecture 8 of a linear algebra. Today we are discussing about the dimension of the subspaces that will be getting as a in a previous lecture we discussed about the basis of the linearly independent variable generated in a vector space V. Okay, let us go started as a dimension of the subspaces. They depending on the theorem which will be proof as a value that is a V equals to W. Okay, theorem. Let W be the subspace of a finite dimension vector space V, then W is a finite dimension and dimension W is always less than or equals to dimension V. Moreover, if dimension W equals to dimension V, then show that V equals to W in this form. Okay, what is the theorem? Is proving of this equation. W is the subspaces of a finite dimension in a vector space V. V will be considered as a vector space and W will be considered as a subspaces of a finite dimension. What will be show up to this value of the theorem? Dimension W is always less than or equals to dimension V. Moreover, dimension W equals to dimension V also form, then V equals to W will be shown. Proof of this equation, let dimension V equals to N. We getting as a form dimension V equals to N. If W equals to 0, then W is a finite dimension and dimension W equals to consider 0 less than or equals to N means always greater than N means value will be generating as a sometime will be considering is a 0 as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be considering because N is a greater than 0 or sometime equal to means dimension W equals to consider value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. W contain a non-zero vector x1. So x1 is a linearly independent set. W contain a non-zero vector. W it does not a zero. Hence it will be considered linearly independent set because dimension contain or a W equals to 0 will be containing then finite dimension will be shown. Okay, containing choosing a vector x1 x2 to xk in a W such that x1 to xk is a linearly independent, not a dependent. It is a linearly independent form. Since no linearly independent subset of a V can contain more than n vector, not getting as a n vectors more than n vector means n plus 1, n plus 2 not getting in this value. This process must stop at the stages where k is less than or equals to n. K is a less than or equals to n because if we get it as a value n is a if we get it as a value in n is a less than then k is a greater k plus 1 but they not possible in this equation because of finite independent variable and x1 contain as a xk is a linearly independent but adjoint any other vector from a W is process will be containing as a dependent set of this value. Okay, this value will be implies in the x1 to xk generate as a W, hence it is the basis for the W. X1 to xk containing as a basis of W and it is a basis will be containing in the form. Therefore, dimension W equals to k less than or equals to n for proof the condition. If dimension W equals to n in the first form we generating to the value dimension W equals to 0. In this form dimension W equals to n, then the basis for W is a linearly independent subset of a V containing a n vector. But in the replacement theorem corollary, we say that corollary 2 of the replacement theorem implies that the basis for the W is also the basis for the V. Hence, we prove as a W equals to V will be considering in this form. Okay. Hence, for the replacement theorem in the previous lecture, we discussing all the value of this theorem. Okay. This will be the proof of this theorem. Let us go start another topic that is the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Interpolation formula. Okay, corollary will be getted. Let W be the subspaces of a finite dimension vector space V when W is a finite dimension and dimension W is less than or equals to dimension V. Hence, proof to this condition for W will be getted in this form. The Lagrange interpolation formula will be used. Fix equals to consider Fix into x minus c0 x minus c I minus 1 x minus c I plus 1 x minus c n will be generated. Same as the value will be generating ci minus c0 ci minus ci minus 1 ci minus a I plus 1, all this value when numerator getting as the content of this element same as the value will be generating to the value equals to pi will be considering power to contain as a n, k equals to 0, k is not equals to 0, generated as a value, all the x value is a constant, x minus this value generated 0, I minus 1, I plus 1 to n, they generated as a ck. Okay, same as the value ci is a constant, minus c0, cn I minus 1, I plus 1, cn. This is the ci minus ck will be considering to the formula of this value. Are called the Lagrange polynomial associated with c0 to cn. Note that each of these fix is a polynomial of the degree n and hence it is a pn function f by rearranging of a aggregating fix as a polynomial function. Fi generated to the form that is a f tends to f, we see that ficj considering equals to 0 to 1, first time will be getted as a I equal is not equals to j, and second time I equals to j will be containing of this form. Okay, this is the Lagrangian property will be considering in the Lagrangian polynomial equation, that beta equals to f1 f2 to fn is a linearly independent subset of a p n f. Suppose that summation n I equals to 0, ai fi equals to 0 for some scalar form that is a a1 a2 to an generated to the value where 0 denoted the 0 function value that will be generated. Summation ai fi cj equals to 0 for j equals to 0 to 1 in this form, because of the n is a greater than or equals to k will be considering. Okay, hence j value will be generated 0 to n of this function, but we get it as a form aj equals to 0 for j equals to 0 to n. Beta is a linearly independent since the dimension of the Pn function is a n plus 1. It follows from the some replacement theorem for the beta for the basis of the value that is a Pn will be containing in this form, and beta for the every polynomial function g will be considering in this form that is a Pn function f is a linearly combinations of the polynomial function of a beta will be generated. This function is a containing to the value of a g equals to summation n I equals to 0 bi if I will be considering. If we use this as a c, both of this left hand side and right hand side will be generated as a c. G c I equals to summation n I equals to 0 bi fi ci will be considering, it is called as a commonly bj in this value. So the value of a g equals to considering summation g ci fi for this value. It is a required representation of the g as a linear combination of element of a beta. This representation is also called as a Lagrange interpolation formula, since the preceding argument show that if b0 b1 bn are any n plus 1 scalar in the function of a f, not necessary as a value will be considering in the distinct, then the polynomial function will be generated to the form of the equation for the degree value will be considering is a unique polynomial Pn. Hence all value of this function g multiply in this form cj they generated as a bj. Thus we have found the unique polynomial function that will be the graph content of this value, that is a 1825u3 minus 4, considering degree of the more value will be generated in this form. Hence notation c0 equals to 1, c1 equals to 2, c2 equals to 3, b0 equals to 8, b1 equals to 5 and c2 equals to minus 4 for the Lagrange associated as a polynomial. If value will be putting in this form, then equation will be generated f0x equals to x generated to the value that is a 2 and 3 same as a value 2 as a containing first value c0 will be generated as a 1 1 same as value minus 2 equals to considering to the form that will be equation is a generated in this form 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 it is a plus and 1 by 2 will be common. This equation x square minus 3x minus 2x 3 to the 6 they will be generated as a value x square minus 5x plus 6 in this value. If generating as a f1 value for the x minus f1 value will be generated to the form minus 1 x minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3. Value will be put it in same as a form. They also solve 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1 will be generated to the value. This is a minus 1 and they multiply x square minus 3x minus 1x will be generated minus minus plus 3. They containing both of this multiplication of the form. X square minus 2x plus 6 will be generated this value. For g will be using in this form summation in I equals to 0 pi fi will be generated to the value. For the Lagrangian equation will be used. If 2 will be uses, value is changing to the form x minus 1 x minus 2. If 2 value is a changes, this form will be containing they plus 1 value will be considering in this form. Same example will be solved. Hence the desired polynomial if getted as a n number of a value for generating to the gx equals to summation n I equals to 0 BIFIX considering 8 f08 plus 5 f1x minus 4 f2x will be generated. All this value you know that considering in this equation for putting to the value of the equation 4 because of 1 by 2 8 will be considering this form half of the 4 x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 5 f1 will also given to the form x square minus 4x plus 3 and f2 will be generated this form. This is the half of cancel will be considering 4 that is 1 by 2 x square minus 3x plus 2. Solve this equation for putting all this value of a multiply 4 all of this considering in this form. A final result will be given in this form minus 3x square plus 6x plus 5. Important consequences of the Lagrangian interpolation formula if considering as a following result, that is a f is an elements of a Pn f and f of Ci is considering 0 for n plus 1 value will be distinct scalar equation, that is a 0 to Cn in the function. F is always considered as a 0 function of this value. Okay, this is the Lagrangian interpolation formula will be considering, and best easy way to solving this method to use this as a technique. Sometime it will be multiplying to the value for getting as an equation. Okay.